We lost only one match in the league. The first match here in Arsenal. After we did a very fantastic job together, because it's very important how you are supporting us, how we can be here strong with you. And of course, we want to continue increasing, we want to continue learning and trying to get new challenges in front. Because I think we have to feel our way together like something special in our lives. Hopefully we can get it, and hopefully we can be here for a long time, doing progressively getting better like we are. Thank you so much.
Good night. Just let me see.